In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify theme layout errors. If your storefront is showing broken pages, missing sections, distorted designs, or messages like liquid error or layout theme liquid is missing, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to locate the cause and get your theme back in shape. First, protect your live store by creating a safe workspace. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Next to your current theme, click the three dots and choose Duplicate. You'll make all changes on the duplicate so your customers never see work in progress. Now pay attention to any error messages you're seeing. Notes like liquid error, layout theme, liquid is missing, section not found, or invalid schema often point to the exact file or section at fault. Jot down the message and where it appears because that clue will guide your fix. Think about what changed right before the issue started. If you edited code or installed an app, open your duplicated theme, click Edit Code, and review the files you touched. The usual suspects include layout theme.liquid, anything under templates with .json, sections with .liquid, and snippets with .liquid. Even a tiny edit in these files can ripple across your layout. If you suspect something was deleted or replaced, open the affected file in Edit Code and look for the older versions drop down. Restore a version from before the problem began. If there's no version history, replace the file with a clean copy from your duplicate backup or from a fresh installation of the same theme. Next, scan for liquid syntax issues, a single missing sentence endif percent or print end 4%, unclosed or went percent tags, or mismatched quotation marks can break rendering. Carefully check any recent edits and keep your tags balanced and quotes consistent. Open the theme customizer under Online Store, then Customize. Make sure all required sections are enabled, remove any blocks that show warnings, and re-add missing sections so the schema in your code matches what the customizer expects. If you recently added apps, temporarily disable them. In Customize, open app embeds and turn off embeds one by one, then test your storefront. Apps that inject code can introduce conflicts. For a reliable reference, add a fresh copy of your theme from Themes by clicking Add Theme. Compare problematic files to the clean version to spot differences quickly. Finally, clear your browser cache. Do a hard refresh with Ctrl plus Shift plus R on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus R on Mac, and test in an incognito window to rule out cached assets. Once everything looks good, return to Themes and publish the corrected theme. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.